Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Nellie Belle's. We're going to be creating kind of a bright, vibrant mani with a touch of sparkle. But before we dive into any of the powders, we're going to start off with a little bit of color blocking. I'm just using that 3M medical tape, and everything that we are using in today's video can be found in that description box below in that video. There's a little arrow, just drop down on that arrow, and then everything that you see here can be found in that description box. So we are doing the gel method, and I'm just taking very thin layers of gel and making sure that that area was covered completely and dipping into that cupcake liner. And check out this coverage of this orange. This orange right here, it is everything. Blazing Rays is definitely the perfect orange in my opinion. And if you're an orange lover, you definitely need to add this to your list here of beautiful colors because this is a fantastic color. And wait till you see how we're going to pair this orange. We're going to throw in a blue, and then we're going to be playing with a really awesome glitter. It's a mixture of chunky and fine glitters. And I can tell you right now, I was completely blown away by how thin the chunky glitters are in the glitter that we're going to be playing with. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into these beautiful colors and see them in action, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit. right, so I did the rest of the filing and buffing off camera, and now we're gonna go ahead and seal in this mani with a layer of gel base on all the nails. Now I will say that glitter laid so flat to the nail. I was completely blown away because we did 3 dips of that glitter, and normally when you're playing with a glitter of that ratio, it can get really bulky really fast. I had no problems with this glitter, so if you've ever struggled with any bulk or anything like that, definitely give this glitter a whirl because there's something magical about it and I'm completely obsessed. So I am curing as we go for a full 30 seconds. And now we're going to add just a little bit of nail art tape here to that color blocking nail just to kind of tie it all in. Totally optional, but I do really like the color nail striping tape here on the little sheets versus like that roll. There's something about just like how easy it is to apply this. Also, if you want to make it super easy on yourself, and after you go ahead and do a layer of gel base and cure for 30 seconds, go ahead and do a layer of transfer foil glue, cure that for 60 seconds, then go ahead and put this tape down because it will completely stick, it will not move, it will be there, so it's not going anywhere. So that's another trick. But this way also works best too, but it's gonna have a little bit more wiggle room. So if you're looking for a way just to get that tape on there, cut off those ends that are hanging off, and then you're good to go, definitely try the transfer foil glue. But adding this little pop of white to these colors just kind of tied it in for me. You could do any color. You could have pulled in a blue, you could even do like a black, you could have done anything. I think any color combination or even some gold would have looked fantastic. All right, so then I went ahead and did a layer of gel base on there, cured for 30 seconds. Then I did a layer of gel top coat on the nail, cured for 60 seconds, and I finished the rest off camera. Here's the finished mani. I love it. It's super bright, but yet we have like these really awesome jewel tones as well pulling through with these blues. That glitter is everything. I really like how organically like those bigger pieces of glitter kind of stayed at the not the cuticle line, but the free edge there and at the tip of the nail. I just love it so much. And this combination right here, it's everything. Not only is it bright and beautiful, but this would be a great spring break mani or even a mani to rock in the summer. I mean, to be honest with you, I'll rock any color any time of year. But I overall love this combination. So everything that we did use in today's mani can be found in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed this mani, and I'll see you all in the next one.